Hello everyone, my name is Ashwini Pande. I have completed a 6 months internship as a full stack Java developer at Sanyu Info Tech Pvt Limited, where I gained the practical experience of front-end, back-end, AWS and database. During this internship, I have worked on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Core Java, Advanced Java and JSP along with Hibernate, Spring and Spring Boot. I got this opportunity from a college level test which helps me to start my professional journey with Sanyu Info Tech. During this internship, I gained hands-on experience in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Core Java, Advanced Java, JDBC, MySQL and AWS deployment basics. The training was practical and focused on real-world application development. This internship helped me to build strong technical skills, confidence and understanding of corporate work culture. I also received placement guidance and interview preparation which is very useful for freshers. If you are a fresher and want to enhance your skills and getting the industry exposure, you should definitely try Sanyu Info Tech. Thank you.